Hi guys, I was looking online for how to uh, trim around the bath surrounding, and I couldn't find anything really. Everybody, like, when you watch the videos of how to install the bathtub and stuff, nobody really shows how to finish it off right here by the around the tub. So I did some research and went to Home Depot, and I found this trim, plastic trim, and you put it up close to your surrounding, and you put your mud out here and whatever you sand, and don't worry about scratching this because you got this little lip right here, right, protecting the surrounding. And then when you're done, this little lip is you just peel it off, and you got the clean edge left. There'll be a clean edge right here. Then you can put your silicone in there or whatever. So really that's it for today, but I just want to put it out there because I was looking for it and I couldn't really find no information on it on YouTube. So if you like it, you can hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and have a good one.